How to convert Facebook account to a business page. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can convert your Facebook account to a business page. Now, there won't be any conversion here. What we'll do is we'll just create another page. So let's get started. First, open up your Facebook. After you do that, go to the menu section on the bottom right. Right here, right beside your name, you will see a drop down option. Tap on it. Now here you will see create Facebook profile option. Tap on it, and right here you will get two options. One is to create a personal profile, another a public page which you can grow as a business or creator or organization. Now this will basically be your business page. So just select on public page and tap on next. So now just type in any name for your business. Now let me just write my name. And after you've done that, tap on done and tap on next. So right here you can just search for a category, and after you search for a category, just select one and tap on create. Now this will basically create your business page, and after the creation is done, you can set it up as you like. You can add pictures, you can start posting on it, you can boost your page, and so much more. So right here you will see you can add bio for your Facebook page, your contact details, your location, and hours. So just tap on next after you've set it all up and just add your profile picture. And after you've done that, you can invite friends from here. So after you've done that, you can select your notification. It's all up to you. And after you've done that, you have basically created your Facebook business page. So this is how it's done. Thanks for watching. This is all for this video. Stay tuned for more.